everything to God in prayer.
Dear Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for seeing all of the pain and thinking about myself more than everyone else. I apologize. Please forgive me. There's so much to forgive for all of us. But Lord, don't allow us to dwell on our shortcomings now. There's obviously so many things going on. We're coming out of a pandemic that we're still in. It's getting worse. And we know, Lord, that you control everything. So we ask that you control this situation. Many people say, pray your will, pray your will, pray your will. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I believe in asking. And I believe in your mercy. And that's what I ask for. You said that you would have mercy above judgment. That you place mercy above your own judgment. That's a beautiful thing. You declared that about yourself. You shared who you are. That you naturally choose mercy over judgment. Wow. What a character. What a personality. I pray that you express that now. Your mercy. As I know you are. Every day. Even in the midst of things we see that hurt us. And so we thank you. We thank you for being God. Help us to step up and be co-workers with you, as your word says.